today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to zip or unzip or compress or uncompress a file or folder on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the file or folder you want to compress. So let's say that's what we want to start with here. So compressing. So right click on the folder and then you want to select where it says compress to zip file. At this point, you're going to have a zip file created on the desktop here. You can see a little zipper icon, and if you hover over it, it says compressed zip folder. So that's how you know it's compressed here. So let's say you want to go ahead and uncompress it. You could just open it up, and then you can just drag the folder right out of it. And you can select where it says, and I'm just going to select replace the files in destination because I already have a folder on my desktop with that name that I never deleted. But basically that's how you would just unzip it. You would remove the files from it and just paste it over to a different folder here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.